Welcome to South Hillsboro. This master plan community has been in the works for more than 20 years. Over the next decade, South Hillsboro will be bringing community centers, schools, parks, trails, and thousands of new homes and so much more. There are three main neighborhoods to South Hillsboro. The first is Reed's Crossing, entering off TV Highway and Cornelius Pass. As we move south, we'll find the Butternut Creek neighborhood. Lennar and Polish Homes will be the first builders to bring homes to this neighborhood. To the west, adjacent to the Reserve Golf Course and Vineyard, you will find Vendage at the Reserve and Rosedale Parks. Be one of the very first homeowners in South Hillsboro, as homes are available and move-in ready now. Vendage at the Reserve also welcomes this year's 2018 Northwest Natural Street of Dreams. With over 1,400 acres, South Hillsboro will create neighborhoods with complete connectedness. As home development continues, roadways, sidewalks, and walking trails will also develop to connect each neighborhood. To learn more about Hillsboro's newest neighborhoods and future developments in South Hillsboro, call myself, Jordyn Jones, Realtor with Berkshire Hathaway. I specialize in new developments and new construction. I would be happy to help you find your next home in South Hillsboro.